good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about, is it okay to use melodies, samples, midis, or other stuff that other producers have created or that you found online? I think it's fine to use that stuff, especially melody loops from like cymatics or MIDI loops from cymatics, because that stuff can help you learn how to create melodies. It can be very educational if you're using it in that sense. Now, there are producers who are just taking like a melody loop from cymatics, for example, throwing that on a beat, and then taking a drum loop from the same pack from cymatics, not doing anything to the melody or the drum loop. I don't believe in that. That's just putting two loops together and not doing anything. You're not adding on to it. You're not trying to make it your own. I don't believe in that. But I think if you're using a sample or a melody and you kind of are messing with it, adding stuff on top of it, making the beat a little flavor of yourself. You're just using that melody to kind of instill a vibe to start with, and then you're finishing it off. That's really all it is. I don't see anything wrong with that. And I don't know why a lot of producers out there try to gatekeep that process, where they're like, oh, if you don't do stuff from scratch, oh, you're using samples, you're using melody loops, blah, blah, you're not a good producer, you're not like, that's BS. And I think that's holding them back. Because let's be real, hip-hop was created on sampling. So that's just facts right there. You got to take that and do with what you will. So if you ever feel like using samples and midis is cheating, or it's not really being creative, you can be as creative as you want with it. I sample all the time and I love it. I make awesome beats that way. So it's really just about how creative you can get with it. And like I said, use it to learn and understand how chords are, and melodies are, and how they progress, and how they evolve, and how they sound. It really can help you out in the long run. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.